Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another episode of Let Me Explain It to You. So in the previous video, if you remember, I spoke to you about chain lubes and chain cleaner, their usage, their importance, and I also told you that I'll be showing you how to use the chain lube and the chain cleaner. So that's exactly what we have in this video. In the next few minutes, you will learn how to clean and lube your chain at home. So it's a very easy to do thing. It's a do it yourself video. So keep watching and hopefully it's going to help you a lot and you won't be needing to go to a garage and get it done. You will be able to do it yourself. So yeah, keep watching. So as you can see, I have put my motorcycle on double stands, and if you don't have a double stand, then you can use a rolling stand. Yeah, you won't find it locally in any store, but you can obviously order it online. So that's pretty much it about the stand, and let's begin with the lubing and cleaning process of my motorcycle. So as you can see, I have kind of installed a paper. I've kept a paper below the motorcycle, below the chain area, because when I'll put the lube, and so these sediments, as you can see, this is the dirt, this is the slick, this is the these are the materials or particles that basically harm your motorcycle's chain. So this is going to come off after I put the lube. That's why I have used this paper below the chain. If you are doing it inside your house, then it's going to leave a very kind of a mark on your floor. If you want to avoid that mark, then do install a paper or something else below the chain. So I'll start off with this chain lube. Chain cleaner basically. So what we have to do is we have to slowly apply here. Now we have done this side. Now we will do the other side of the chain. So we are done applying the cleaner, and as you can see, the slick is slowly dripping, and we have to keep this for a minute or so. So I'll just let it rest. So after applying the chain cleaner, I kept the motorcycle for around 5 minutes, and the sediments I was talking to you about, the particles, they have basically come off. You see, they have slightly come off, and to clean the rest of the sediments or the particles that are on the chain, I'll be using
this brush. So you see there are bristles on 3 sides, and that makes the job really easy. There are 1, 2 and 3. So I'll just put it here and I'll start brushing it like this. While brushing, I'll have to rotate the wheel so that I can clean the entire chain set. No rocket science here, it's not very technical, not very mechanical. It's kind of a do-it-yourself video, very easy to do, and this is something you need to do on a regular basis. Like I said in the previous video, every 600 or 700 kilometers, after every 600 or 700 kilometers, you need to clean your chain set, because if you don't do, this is going to break. And it depends on motorcycle to motorcycle, but this is really costly. This entire set is costly. It will cost you around 1000 rupees or 1500 rupees, and you don't want to pay that. So it's better to take care of your chain set. It's a little bit dirty work, and you are obviously going to get a lot of dirt on your hand. But then I believe if you are a rider and you don't get dirt on your hand, you're not really a rider. You need to love your motorcycle. So just get in there, start doing it. It's fun, but at the same time, if you are doing it in a hot place, you're obviously going to shed a lot of sweat. It's a little bit time taking as well, so just stay with me, because I don't want to fast forward this. I want to show you every second, because I feel like there are a lot of YouTubers who don't show this process in detail. They just fast forward it, but I don't want to do that. I want to make the video longer. I want to give you every bit of what I'm doing here. So the idea is to keep brushing it till the time you feel that you get that smooth feeling from this chain. When this starts moving in a very smooth manner, that's when you stop doing it. That's when you stop cleaning it, because if you get the smooth feeling, that means your chain is finally clean. I don't know if you are able to see, but my bristles, they have collected a lot of sediments, a lot of particles from the chain. There's another important thing I would like to say, that is, a lot of people, they just start the motorcycle and keep it in neutral, so the chain and the tires, they keep rotating automatically. Now that's a very clever idea, that's a very good idea, but there's a massive problem to it. So suppose you are cleaning your chain and suddenly your finger gets kind of stuck here. So you are going to cut off your finger if it reaches to this point where the sprocket is linked to the chain. So I would say that do not do that. Do not keep the motorcycle in neutral. Do not keep the motorcycle in an ignition mode and let the chain or the tire automatically rotate. It's better to keep your motorcycle off and do it by your hand, like I am doing it, like this. That's it. I am more or less done with the cleaning. The last step that I have to do is use this Motul lube, the C2 lube, which I spoke to you about in the previous video. So it's a very simple thing. You just have to spray it on the entire chain, and you are basically done with the cleaning and the lubing process. So I'm just gonna use that. So you basically get a small pipe kind of a thing, so it's very easy to use. You don't need to spray a lot because this is a very costly bottle, and you don't have to spray a lot of amount. You just have to spray a little, and the chain, it gets lubricated. I don't know, for some reason this nozzle is not coming off, so I guess I won't be able to use this one. I'll just have to use this very carefully. So you have to spray this on every side of the chain, this side, on the top, on the bottom, and on the interior. So first I'll put it on this side. I'm done putting it out on one side. I'll put it from the above. I'm done putting it on the top side. Now I'll put it in the this rear portion. Now there's another important thing I need to tell you. You are probably aware that this chain is linked to the sprocket, and so it's equally important to lube your sprocket. And the rear sprocket is here. You are probably not able to see, or maybe you are, I don't know, but here's the sprocket. So it's important to spray this lube on the sprocket, so that the sprocket doesn't accumulate too much particles. And the sprocket is also very smooth. So that's why we need to do it. And that's it. We are done with the chain cleaner and the brush. And this is how you do it. This is how you clean your chain, lube your chain, and take care of your entire chain set. Obviously, you are going to get your hands dirty. I don't know if you're able to see this. This is what you are going to get, but this is a satisfaction to me, and I am sure this is very satisfying to all the riders out there. If you are a new rider, I hope you have liked this video, and hopefully you're going to do this soon, and I'll be back with another episode of the podcast where I'll explain something new to you regarding motorcycles. Thank you. Keep watching.